In this video, we're going to show you how to install the engine splash shield on your Dodge Charger located underneath the front bumper. Remove these two 10mm bolts underneath. On the bottom side of our bumper, you're going to locate 6 7mm screws holding the splash shield to the lower portion of the bumper. You want to go ahead and loosen and remove these. There are 3 plastic retainers here. Using your trim tool, pop out the center and then pop out the base with it. And then grab our last one right here. Go ahead and lower down the splash shield. Now we're going to insert our rear shield onto the 2 tabs on either side here. And then work this up and in underneath our bumper. Now once you have the splash shield in place, we're going to start with our center push buttons. Push in the base and then push in the center button to lock that in. These 3 here are enough to support the whole unit. Let's go ahead and start installing our screws. Install your screws across the front, gently snugging those down. Insert your plastic retainers in each wheel well. Repeat this process. Repeat that process for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.